Today, we're uncovering a hidden piece of history, a story connecting Central Asia directly with modern Turkey.
Our story starts with a puzzle, a Uyghur community in central Turkey, with roots going back 700 years.
To figure it out, we've got to go back in time, following clues left behind by Mongol commanders.
So back in the 13th century, the Mongols pushed west. They set up the Ilkhanate to rule Anatolia.
And get this, Uyghur nobles were actually crucial for running this huge Mongol state as top officials.
These Uyghur governors held a ton of power, and one of them, Zaharettin Mahmud, left us a major clue.
All right, here's our first big piece of evidence. This mosque, built way back in 1334, it's got a secret.
So, what's so unusual about it for a mosque in this region? The secret's in the stone carvings.
You see that? The border of wolf heads? That's a direct link to Central Asian art. Totally unique here.
So this wasn't just one guy's taste, it proves a whole Uyghur community was thriving here back then. But this governor was just the beginning. His story points to an even more powerful Uyghur figure.
And that person is Sultan Alauddin Eretna. His name means jewel, and he definitely lived up to it.
See, as Mongol power faded, Anatolia was pure chaos. Eretna stepped up and brought order and stability.
With one decisive victory, he ended almost a century of direct Mongol rule right in central Anatolia.
And he wasn't just some conqueror. Historical sources say he was a just, wise, and beloved leader. And this is key. His stable state basically created the foundation for the early Ottomans to eventually rise.
Okay, let's jump forward a few centuries. In 1965, a new wave of Uyghurs began migrating to Turkey.
And guess where they settled? The exact same region their ancestors had ruled. A crazy historical echo.
This deep history gives them such a powerful sense of belonging. As one person put it so well,
So you see, for them, it wasn't a move to a foreign land. It was truly a homecoming.
What we're left with is this incredible 700-year-old story of resilience, just hidden in plain sight.
It really makes you wonder, right? How many other hidden histories are out there waiting to be found?